Now let's move on to the final section, that is the representation tips and techniques. This is the area where most of the students have got problem. I have listed down uh, few of instructions which can either be followed or practiced, and slowly steadily you will definitely have a hang of making representational or uh, graphical sketches to illustrate your case studies. Representation tips. What to include in the case study? The information should be in a hierarchy. Basic information like introduction, site, background history, information about the location, climatic, etc. Site. Planning of the site, circulation and zoning. Building. Plan elevation section. Plan movement function and specifications. Elements, functions and other features which are related to the aesthetics. Inferences. What have you understood from this whole exercise? Second one will be orientation of drawings should be the same. Third, scale should be same unless one drawing is important than the other. Relation should be maintained between drawing, pictures and sketches. Include statistics and data charts only if they are relevant and important to your design. Include views from inside and outside. This could be in the form of photographs or in the form of sketches. Make sure you click the site from a distance. Show your own analysis through sketches, example the wind movement, function, circulation, axis, etc. Representation tips. How to represent the information. Sketch the layout of sheets first. Make the information neutral and contained. Align text in boxes. Spacing should be uniform. Use colors, don't stick to black, white and grey. Use negative spaces to make the drawings, pictures and sketches which stand out. But don't overfill your presentation sheet. This will confuse the observer, and also as a presenter you will also get confused. Background shouldn't overpower the content. Click panoramic views, tiny photos, photospheres and planets. Representation tips number 3. Presentation board tips. How to arrange your sheets on a pin-up board. Lay out the sheets in the hierarchical manner. Make sure each group member has a sheet or some information to present. The presentation should be well rehearsed beforehand. Make sure the script of the presentation makes sense. Prepare the script beforehand. This will be very easy for you to do the rehearsals. The transition from one person to another should be smooth. Now let's consider the examples of case studies. Kanchenjunga apartment. Housing typologies. How a courtyard housing, different housing typologies are being case studied in a particular sheet. There is courtyard housing, high-rise building, cluster housing, perimeter block housing, row housing. We have come to the end of our session. We will end this session with a short summary and understand the overall learning. Stage 1. Searching of a case study. Reading of brief. Underline all the important words. Read your briefs at least 5 times so that you completely understand the background of your design. List down the quick fact check and from the above brief categorize the keywords. Filter your keywords as per relevance factor and feasibility. This will optimize your search and give you more accurate results. Google search and search on various online platforms and speak to your colleagues and professors. This will give you more than one source to verify your search and verify your doubts. It will also help, your professors will also help you and guide you in your case study. Categorize these case studies into live and book case study. Stage 2. Introspection and analysis. There will be two aspects for introspection. One will be observations and interpretations. Observe certain things, ask questions like why the way it is, and interpret upon your understanding. Second will be generic versus specific. What is what are the ideas which are specific to the context and site and cannot be taken and applied into your design, since it will be a copied design or it might not fit to your site. But generic ideas can be taken and applied into your design. Note down macro, micro and mini stories. At every level of the site, you need to understand how the design is being tackled or how the challenge is being resolved. The final stage is the inference. There will be immediate inference versus final inference. Final sentence or final summary will be summarized into 5 to 6 sentences. Once you know your content and you have scripted into a systematic way, it will become very easy for you to represent them. Hey guys, well, that's the end of our session. We have ended this session and I hope that you have enjoyed this session. Please send me your reviews and your feedback so that I can make much better courses which will help you as a student and as a professional also. Thank you guys. Hope you have enjoyed this session. Thank you.